In today's video, I want to discuss automating WordPress development workflows using InstaWP. InstaWP is the fastest way to build WordPress websites online. So if you're a WordPress development agency, let me show you how you can benefit from InstaWP. So here I have a list of staging websites. So I'm just going to go to this one here, click once, and then I'm going to show you how you can access this. So right away, you can see we have SFTP and SSH. So if I click over here, you can actually allow some of your developers to log into the website remotely. And to activate it, all you have to do is to come over here and enable SFTP, and you can also enable SSH just by coming over here. So these are the credentials. It's very easy to copy them. So you can copy the host name by just clicking here, the username and the password as well as the port. So once you've done that, all your other developers will be able to log onto the website and work on that website.
So how about adding users? Is it easy?
Now over here, if you wanted to add a user, it is very, very easy. You can just click here and then you can say add SSH or FTP user. And this is your public key. So this is what you would share. And just like that, you've created a brand new user.
One of the best ways to speed up your development and design process is by using templates. How easy are they to create? Let's find out.
So this very first website here on my list is a website running Divi, and you can see it right here. So let's say you want to create another website which has pretty much Divi installed. We can do this using templates, and let me show you how easy it is to do that. So back over here, let's say you want to create a brand new one. You click on templates and then you click on add new. So what we're doing now is we're creating a template based on a website that we've just created, which is this one right here. Now, just think about it. Let's say you have a ton of plugins you're testing out, and you also have themes that you're testing out. But in order for you to test and see if things are working out well, is to have another website. But on that other website, you need to add all your plugins. This really saves you a lot of time. I know right now we're just using Divi as an example, but all we need to do now is to come to that particular website, which is this one right here. You click on that, go to next. You can give this template a name. If you want to, you can give this a description. And then all I have to do now is to click on save. So what's going to happen now is a replica of this website here is going to be created, saving you so much time installing all the plugins, the themes, and all the settings that I would have done on my website that I'm working on. So templates are very, very powerful. Okay, so now our template is right here. So anytime that we need to set up our website, we can just come over here to this template and it's going to have everything that we need. The next feature I want to talk about is cloning. So there are situations where you just want to clone your website that you're working on without creating a template. You can do this easily with InstaWP. So all you have to do is to come over here to all staging sites. So this now is going to give us a list of all our staging sites. So you can decide now which one you want to clone. So let's say it is this one right here. All you have to do is to come over here to the end, click on more actions. So if you go down this list here, you're going to notice that we have clone. So if you click on clone, you can now give this a site name, and this could be a temporary site that expires after 30 days. If you just want to go in and just do something quickly, maybe you want to test something, or if you want to reserve it, then you can just say reserve, and this will pretty much stay on your system.
So the question is, why not do this on a traditional hosting server?
Now, if you were doing this the traditional way, you would need to have a hosting company where sometimes you pay a lot of money to host all your websites. So you would need to go in and set up the website twice, and that takes a lot of time. But as you can see with InstaWP, you can just go in, clone it, or you can go in and create a template. And like I mentioned before, you can also invite people to come and work on it using SSH. And this can be done very, very easily, and the price InstaWP is definitely cheaper than deploying a fully fledged web hosting service.
To save you from migrating your websites to another hosting platform, InstaWP has an amazing service called InstaWP Live. Let's talk about it.
Now, let's say you're working on your websites, you're working with your design agency, everyone has done all their work on the website, and you're ready now to host it. Here's how you do it. So InstaWP also has InstaWP Live. This is the hosting service. So you can come over here and just by clicking over here to go live, this now can be hosted on InstaWP Live. Very, very easy. And this service is also fantastic. So all you have to do now, once you've selected that, is to click on next. Now, before you choose your hosting plan, you need to add your card over here. Now, I'm not going to do that, but it is pretty much very, very easy to do. So once you've chosen your plan over here, you click on next, and within a very short time, you are now going to be able to host your website with InstaWP, saving yourself time to migrate a website from one system to another hosting service. So as you can see, InstaWP is very, very powerful in that regard. You can get up and running super fast and get it hosted as well super, super fast. So if you're a freelancer or a design agency that uses WordPress, this is the best way for you to develop all your websites using InstaWP. So I have a link in the video description below. Go ahead, check it out and get started with InstaWP today. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.